So I got a good amount of colors molded for this little tadpole toad bait, and now Chels and I, we're just gonna go to a creek. We're gonna cast these and probably catch a bunch of little fish, but that's okay. Little fish are cool too. I have not given up on catching big fish or fishing with bigger lures. I just feel like fishing with small lures today, okay? Who doesn't like catching little fish sometimes, you know? Maybe today will be more about seeing how many species we can catch. The creek we're going to, I think it has a lot of different kinds of fish in it, so this could be pretty interesting. So it just got done raining quite a bit. Forecast says it's not gonna rain again, but we're at the creek. We're gonna get in and fish. Here's your rod. Let's go.
We seem to always go creek fishing when it's rainy.
Yeah, it's done raining today though.
I have a feeling this is going to be really cold.
It's not bad. It's refreshing.
It is. Ooh, it's ice cold.
Oh, it's nice. It's not bad. I also brought split shot sinkers in case you need more weight to cast.
Okay.
Like you can pinch them on top of your line. Oh. Oh my.
Caught one.
You got a sunfish.
The pike of panfish.
Is that a sunfish? Let me see.
Wait.
Oh, you okay? Did he get you?
No, I'm just scared.
Oh.
When I hold him, he's shaking. It's
Okay.
sad.
Well, if I get him off, that means it's my fish.
No. I want to hold him, but I don't like when he is shaking like that.
It's a decent sized one.
Can I hold him?
Yeah, you can film this one.
What is that?
It's a green sunfish.
Is it?
I do
It looks
believe.
kind of like a bass.
Yeah. They're pretty beefy.
Huh. So cute. Oh, look it. Oh. He didn't want to leave me. Oh. Aww.
Yeah, you got a good color.
That's why I chose this one. I like bright colors for these.
Well, this is kind of like a warm color.
Yeah.
It's not bad.
What happened to my reel?
What do you mean?
It keeps getting all...
Oh, be careful with that. Those can be horrible.
Well, I think it already is.
Stop.
I'll take this from you.
Let me get your bait out of it. Okay.
Thanks. I'll catch you a fish. Don't worry.
Oh my. As I'm untangling your mess.
And I'm helping you, you're helping me.
You like that rod?
No.
You could use it if you want.
I like mine.
Okay.
Hey.
Oh
hey,
yeah,
hey.
yours is
Wait
way
a
better
second.
for casting this.
Okay, give me
I
it
think it's
back
because it's
now.
got the smaller spool.
Oh, did you see that?
Yeah, I've been actually getting some bites on mine.
Okay.
I tied on the greenish orange one instead. Since yours is like bright green, I'm thinking
Orange would be good.
bright colors.
Oh my god, there's baby fish like nibbling my toe right now.
Yeah, they do that.
Look at them.
Minnows.
Oh my goodness. They're all by my feet.
Is that
They're
magical?
biting my toes. That is so cute. They love me.
Okay. I'm moving down. Oh.
Got one.
Another one? Same species? Yep.
I don't think I want to move down yet.
You can stay there. I'll go find
Oh.
the good spot.
I think this is a good
And I'll have it all to myself.
Oh, this guy is very, whoa, shaky. You guys are the cutest little things ever. Seriously. Took my spot.
No, I'm finding the good spot.
Did I catch 3 already?
Yeah, what? Why haven't I caught one? I don't like this spot. I'm moving down.
Oh, I see all those suckers right there.
Yeah.
Do they like these?
No, they ignore those. But with your luck, you could probably get one.
Yeah.
Ha!
What'd you get?
A green sunfish. I don't know. Yeah, that's a green sunfish. 1 to 3, 3 to 1. Oh, never. This isn't a competition. Never mind.
It's not?
No. We're just having a nice day on the creek.
Okay.
As I cast into that tree.
Is it not a competition because I'm winning?
No, that's not how this works.
Okay. Oh, got one. Oh, this one's a little more orange. He's a little bit bloody, but he's still cute.
You know, really, it's 1 to 1.
I just caught 4.
We're doing by species. We both just caught green sunfish. So, 1 to 1.
No, it's definitely 4 to 1.
Did you say something?
What?
Ooh.
Oh,
Did you get one?
a tiny one.
Look at that tiny thing. What is that? Is that a bass?
Yeah. Whoa. Oh, little guy.
Oh, you got him. There's a bass?
Yeah. So
Okay.
5.
2 to 1.
2 to 1 and 5 to 1.
It's fine. 2 to 1. Ooh.
I'm
Ooh.
okay.
I want a hook in the eye, honey. Be careful.
No, it won't go in my eye.
That would ruin the day.
That'd ruin my life.
Ruin your life. I don't like this spot.
Oh.
I am moving on. Oh, does this creek split?
That's what I was thinking, but I thought maybe it just didn't go down all the way. Like maybe that was just a...
Oh, I think this is just an island.
Yeah.
And it comes back and meets. So we gotta choose which way to go. Which way you wanna go?
Let me get a good look. Oh, that's a good spot.
You can't steal spots, honey.
That's a good spot.
Ooh. This one's... I don't know. These don't look the same.
Yeah.
I mean, it looks the same as the fish I just caught, but...
Yeah.
Ooh. What is that?
What? Oh.
Is that like an old bus?
Yeah, that's a little...
This just turned into an exploring channel. There's bullet holes and stuff. Must have been here a long time. Well, obviously it's been here a long time. It looks like a bus. You see the back door?
Yeah.
Cool. I feel like it's a struggle for the front position to get to the new spots. Is
Yeah,
it?
it is. See?
Ooh, what was
They're
that?
feisty.
Come on, be something else. Oh, it's a sunfish.
They keep biting it, but they don't, they like spit it out.
You see
really
that one
quick.
right in the middle?
Yeah.
That looks like something else. No, I think they're all sunfish still.
How many have you caught?
Oh, I haven't counted.
You gotta count.
Who knows?
Oh, okay.
We've lost track. Now we just
No.
have to count species.
Really? Fine.
How many have you caught?
I think I was up to 6. So you must be at like 5 or 4?
We
or
could
no?
just call it even and start from there.
Let's just do species. So I caught 2, you caught 1?
I'm okay with that.
Okay.
I bet black is the best color.
The best?
Because that's kind of what tadpoles are. Just dark.
I don't know if I'd say the best.
The best.
Look what I got.
Sunfish.
I'd call this a yellow sunfish.
I don't know, there might be such a thing.
It's pretty yellow.
Haha. Moving on. And I'm in front.
If you're in front, you have to go a little bit, like...
Are you kidding me?
Yeah.
You remember what you were doing that whole time?
You have to leave room for me.
Really? I'll remember that. Yeah, they're kind of chunkier too in there.
Yeah.
What's that? That looks different.
Oh, come on.
What, did you get it? Did you see if it was different?
It looked like...
A bluegill?
I don't know.
We'll call it a sunfish for now.
Yeah, it didn't really look like anything else.
It just looked darker from here.
Hey, you little stinker. Trying to go under
Ooh,
the log.
that's a good one.
That's a normal sized one.
Oh.
Like a normal size sunfish.
Oh. He hooked himself and got stuck in a weed.
Yeah.
Oh, there we go.
They run under there with it. That's what mine did.
Okay, there's just sunfish right there.
We've caught plenty of those.
Well, that tree looks like it's gonna fall on you. Oh my! I caught a minnow.
Yeah. I want to see it.
That's another species.
We gotta hurry because
Yeah.
it's little.
See it?
Oh, he's so tiny. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, you made it. Oh, 2-2.
I want to catch one.
2-2. Never been so excited to catch a minnow.
What is this? Oh, I think this is, oh no.
Is it a different one?
I don't know. It might just be a really small sunfish. I think it's, I can't tell. I think it's just a small sunfish. What is this? This is like what I caught.
Yeah, it's a sunfish.
You sure?
I don't know. When it comes to those, I don't know if it's we've been catching 2 different kinds. You know?
Yeah, because some of them are kind of like skinnier.
But let's just call those sunfishes for the sake of it. Because we've both caught those.
Yeah. But some of them have like a bass looking body and then the other ones have like a bluegill looking body.
Yeah, that's what I noticed. Oh, what was that?
It was a big one, wasn't
Was
it?
that a sucker? I think a sucker just went after. Ooh, what's this?
Okay, we both caught one.
Yeah. See, this is the different kind. We both caught the one that looks different. This has the more bluegill looking body.
Yeah, this one like stabbed me with its... Oh, we need the pliers. It's like close to its eye.
Okay.
See?
Your bait's all torn up.
Yeah. Wait, didn't you say this wasn't a competition?
Huh? What?
I thought you said that when we first got here. People can change their minds.
It's 2-2. Ooh.
See how good this one
Oh.
color is?
You're good.
What's that?
This is that more bass-like one.
Aww. This one's a little one. These are the cutest fish. How'd you get over here?
I climbed over that log.
You're just gonna leave me?
Yeah. Goodbye.
I actually do need help.
Oh. Fine.
Whew. I haven't jumped in years.
You haven't jumped in years. That's not good.
Wait.
I'm gonna find a better spot. I'm gonna see if I can get to the main creek too.
But there's so many fish right here. They're all like, hey guys, where'd Timmy go? Oh, hey Timmy.
Chelsea, you're standing in the fishing hole.
I know.
I'm gonna catch a Chelsea.
Snake!
Where? Oh, a tiny little water. Look at that guy.
Oh, oh my goodness. Oh, I think I got stuck in the tree.
It might still be on.
Yeah, it is.
What is it? Is that a bass?
It's stuck on the tree. Oh no. How do we get it?
Oh, that's a smallmouth. Or is it? Yeah, I think that's a smallmouth.
Does this count?
Here.
Ah, I caught him.
Why did I help you catch that?
Is this my third?
That's your third species that I just helped you catch.
You're the best.
Does that mean it's like half and half a point? We're both at 2.5?
Nope.
Wow. I don't know if I'm going to be able to catch smallmouth.
Thank you.
Dang it!
Don't worry, you'll catch another one.
Oh, I know. You think I'm worrying?
A little.
I can't believe that smallmouth stayed on
I know.
after all that.
I thought he was gonna get off. So baby bass and smallmouth are different?
The baby one that you caught was a largemouth.
Oh. What do you know? Another sunfish. It's okay, I still like them. Nope.
If I can squeeze through, you can.
Wow. That was quite the squeeze.
Easy.
How do we get to our car from here?
That's the trail.
Oh, look at.
Oh. Oh.
Oh,
That.
what? That's a sunfish.
Yeah, it's a sunfish. Oh, no,
It's a sunfish.
I think it's a bluegill.
What?
That's a nice bluegill. Well, dang. Did we tie then? If you didn't catch a bluegill?
I think so. Yeah, it's 3-3 if I didn't catch a bluegill. Because I caught largemouth, smallmouth, and sunfish. And maybe bluegill, I don't know. And you caught?
A minnow, sunfish,
bluegill.
I mean, you did catch a pretty decent smallmouth.
I did. Where do we get out of this joint?
I just don't want to be done. How about 3 casts right there, and then we'll go. Last cast.
At least we tied.
Last cast. Seriously, that'll be the last one.
Oh.
Well, it was fun.
It was. And we tied.
Everybody's happy. But were we really keeping score anyway?
Yeah, the whole time.
Oh. Well, Chelsea caught 3 species, and I caught 3 species, but minnows count as 2 points, so
what?
I got 4, and Chelsea lost, and on to the next fishing trip.